Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their Nadula 13x4 lace front wig for African American women, 150% density, kinky, curly, human hair wig. Child, I don't know why they, yeah. Anyways, okay, so the length that they sent me is 24 inches, I think, because that is what they had in my initial email, that's what they was gonna send me. So I'm gonna go with that. They said that they was gonna send me 24 inches, but I'm assuming that the 24 inches is 24 inches stretched out versus it curled up, because curled up it is giving more so 20 inches in my opinion, but I'm assuming stretched out it would be 24 inches. So I just want to throw that out there for you guys to keep in mind, okay? That is purely speculation on my part because I honestly don't know. Okay, so this unit is 150% density. You can get it in a 13x4 lace front, or you can get it in a V part. You can pick how you want this unit, you know, what type of lace size you want. And the lengths that they have available is 14 to 24 inches, all being even numbers. And as I stated, this is a kinky texture. On the product details, it has that this unit only comes in an average size, so it only comes in an average cap size. I I personally am an average cap size. I did have to adjust the strap, so in my opinion it is big head friendly, but that is purely speculation. The lace is Swiss brown lace or a V-part, you know, either or. The density is 150%. It says 100% virgin hair, and it says curly hair gives the wearer a glossy, loosely curled look. So those are all the details and specs that I see on there. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, it is a kinky unit. It does tangle some, so I want to throw that out there, and it does shed some once you are detangling it. Now, once the unit was detangled, in my opinion, it didn't shed or tangle excessively afterwards. But I do want to throw it out there, so you can't come for me later on, honey. Okay, I don't want none of the problems. So I did want to throw it out there so you guys are aware. And the unit did come pre-tweezed. I did tweeze it a little more, but not a whole lot. And I do want to go ahead and mention that it is brown lace. You guys know with me, sometimes I struggle with brown lace. So you may not be able to see it so much in this lighting, but the lace does show some on my skin tone. So just be aware of that. If you are my shade or lighter, that the brown lace will probably show up more so than on somebody that's a little bit darker than me. So I want to throw that out there as well. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons with this unit, as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Alright, so my con with this unit, because you know I like to start with the cons, so I like to end on a high note. My con with this wig would definitely be the lace color. I would normally say it would be the 13x4, but I feel like I was able to kind of style this in a half up, half down do without it being too much trouble. Now, honey, I ain't seen the back yet, so I don't know. But I don't want to put that as a con because I was able to put this unit up in a updo. But the brown lace would be my only con, and that is a con that's for me, you know, just with my skin tone. It may not be a con for you. That is just like my personal opinion with brown lace. I do prefer transparent or HD lace, but like I said, that's a personal con. So yeah, that's my con. My pros with this unit would be, first of all, I love that it came pre-tweezed. Even though I did tweeze it a little more, I love the fact that it did definitely come pre-tweezed. Also, I love kinky hair. Like, it's probably my favorite texture, whether it's kinky straight or kinky curly. It is one of my favorite textures of hair. So I love that. I also love the fact that I was able to style it in a half up, half do. I mean, half up, half, I'm talking half up, half do. Half up, half down style. I love that. Sometimes I like to go for this style, even though it can be considered a little kiddie. But I think it is a cute style, especially when it's kinky hair, because I feel like kinky hair is just more full. So it still gives that, you know, it can kind of give that grown woman look even with this particular style. You know what I mean? So yeah, those are my pros with this wig. Would I recommend this unit? Yes. I love kinky curly hair, and I really like this particular kinky curly hair. I don't feel like it is drying out on me. I don't know. Throughout the day, maybe it will. That can always be a issue with kinky hair, but I did apply my mousse, and I'm trying not to run my fingers through it because I feel like that always messes up whatever style I'm trying to achieve. But I really like the unit. I think it is a really cute unit, and if I'm not mistaken, it's pretty affordable as far as human hair goes. So yeah, I would recommend it because I feel like it can also be beginner friendly because it did come pre-tweezed. I do want to mention that I did bleach the knots, so in my opinion, the knots did not come pre-bleached. But overall, I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all, let's do this full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up, okay? So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. All right, y'all, keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. Do you think it's a look? Do you don't? Like, or do you not? Do you don't? Do you not? Let me know down below what you guys think. What you think about my pros and cons. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.